Take a ride in the 2021 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.